Hey, what's happening, my friends? Nick here with FreedomLifeBusiness.com. Hoping you are having an amazing day. So, what motivates you? As you can probably tell, motivation means different things to different people. For some, it's simply money. They may be motivated to keep working because it puts food on the table and pays the bills. Others may be motivated to help other people, whether they're volunteering or teaching a class. They're motivated to make a difference in the lives of others. Some people are motivated by personal development, whether it be they're reading books, taking classes, or honing a skill. They're motivated to improve themselves in some way. The truth is, there is no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to motivation. Everyone is unique, and motivation manifests itself in unique ways for each of us. It's important to identify what motivates you and make sure that you stay on track with those goals. One way to do this is to set short-term goals that are attainable yet challenging. Doing this will keep you motivated and will provide a sense of accomplishment once the goal is achieved. Another way to stay motivated is to reward yourself for reaching goals. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Take some time off to appreciate how far you've come and what you've achieved. Taking a break is important to help motivate you and stay on track with your long-term goals. If you find yourself wanting to give up, remind yourself why you got started in the first place. Remind yourself of how much you have already accomplished and focus on those feelings of success. This can be a great way to refuel your motivation and keep moving forward. If you want to be successful, it's important to identify what motivates you and nurture that motivation every single day. Setting short-term goals, rewarding yourself, and reminding yourself of your success can all be great tools for staying motivated. Keep your eyes on the prize and don't let anything stand in your way. If you found value in this video, please give it a like and follow me or subscribe to my channel. If you want to know what motivated me, go to my website below, FreedomLifeBusiness.com, and opt in to receive daily emails that will add value to your life. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. And remember to always go for your dreams and stay healthy, my friends.